Hello, how are you? Welcome back to the channel, Camera Enthusiast. Today, we're diving into a classic rangefinder camera, the Voigtländer Vitessa. If you're into vintage cameras or just curious about what this model offers, stick around. We'll break down its key features and why it stands out among film cameras of its era. The Voigtländer Vitessa, introduced in the 1950s, is a unique 35mm rangefinder camera known for its distinctive plunger mechanism, which sets it apart from the typical film advance levers of other cameras. It's often recognized for its compact yet solid design and the innovative engineering that Voigtländer was famous for during this time. One of the standout features of the Vitessa is its unique film advance mechanism. Instead of using a traditional lever, it utilizes a plunger, sometimes called the barn door style, located on top of the camera. This mechanism is not only fun to use, but also ensures a smooth film advance, giving the Vitessa its signature look and feel during operation. Another key feature is the camera's coupled rangefinder, which allows you to focus with precision. The viewfinder provides a clear, bright image, making it easy to align the focus patch with your subject. This was a major advantage at a time when many cameras required guesswork or external accessories for focusing. The lens on the Voigtländer Vitessa is another highlight. Many models are equipped with a Color-Skopar or Ultron lens, both of which were known for producing sharp and vibrant images. The Color-Skopar 50mm f3.5 lens, for instance, is highly regarded for its excellent color rendering and contrast, making it a great option for street and landscape photography. In terms of exposure control, the Vitessa features a leaf shutter, offering speeds ranging from 1 second to 1/500th of a second. The leaf shutter operates quietly and without much vibration, which is ideal for handheld shooting. Plus, the built-in selenium light meter found on some models helps guide you in getting the correct exposure settings without relying on an external meter. Another detail worth mentioning is the camera's collapsible front doors that protect the lens and shutter when not in use. It's a practical design that adds a layer of durability, ensuring that your lens stays safe during transport. This feature is particularly appreciated by photographers who want a reliable, sturdy camera for travel. Overall, the Voigtländer Vitessa is a blend of elegant design and practical features, making it a unique piece in the world of 35mm cameras. Its innovative plunger system, sharp lenses, and solid construction make it a must-try for any film photography enthusiast. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the Voigtländer Vitessa, be sure to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more vintage camera reviews and photography tips. See you in the next video.